guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are testing out more new curly hair products. I'm bringing you a complete review of the Innersense line. I've been wanting to try this line out for so long, and they were nice enough to send me quite a few products. I'm gonna break down each product for you, tell you how to use it and what it's used for, and give you my honest review and opinion on this line. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like videos like this. I upload every single week on my channel, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell down there so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video on my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first step that I took was cleansing my hair, and I went in with their hydrating hair bath. This product really boosts hydration in the hair. It helps to strengthen the hair from the inside out. It's rich and creamy in texture. It's pretty thin in consistency. It has amazing oils, coconut oil, shea butter oil. It has rice bran oils, jojoba oil. Really great at softening and smoothing the cuticle for a nice shine and bounce to the hair. I then went in with their hydrating cream conditioner, and this product is very thick in consistency. It's very rich. It's great for dry, coarse hair, helps to boost hydration and strengthen the hair. It's got shea butter. It has flaxseed oils to help nourish and mend the hair. It also has manure oil and aloe to strengthen the hair follicle. This is a really awesome product. Very thick, a little goes a long way. Now moving into the styling portion of this video, which I did film, I went in with their Sweet Spirit leave-in conditioner. This product is a very lightweight detangling spray. It gave great moisture to my hair, and as you will see in the video, it helped to detangle my hair so easily. It has a very, very light lavender fragrance. All of these products smell amazing, and they're very, very lightly scented. So if you are sensitive to, heavy fragrances, you're going to love this line. So I just sprayed this all throughout my hair, and I went in with my Denman brush, and as you can see, my hair was detangled very easily. The next step was their Quiet Calm Curl Control. This is a styling lotion, and it helps to boost and define curls. As you can see, it is an extremely thick texture. A little goes a long way, and if you find that you use too much of this product, you can always add more water, which you will see me do in the video. This product helps to eliminate frizz. It has certified organic shea butter in it to hydrate your curls. It has rice bran oil, oat kernel extract, and all of that helps to protect the hair. This product, again, a little goes a long way, and I just raked it in, and then of course used the praying hands method to smooth it over my curls and then scrunch it in. And I did feel like I needed to add a little extra water to kind of emulsify the product and feel like it wasn't getting too thick on my hair. So I just took my spray bottle and resprayed my hair and then scrunched just to make sure that it was nice and saturated. And if you've watched my other videos, you'll know that I like to hear that little squishy sound in my hair when I'm scrunching it. That way I know that I have enough water in there so that my hair is not going to get frizzy. And I personally love using a cocktail of cream and gel, so I finished it up by using I Create Hold Styling Gel by Innersense. This product provides hold to your style. It provides manageability to your curls. It has certified organic honey in it, which acts as a natural resin to help give your style hold. It also has lots of antioxidants to add protection to the hair, and it really creates really great shine to the hair as well. It is a pretty thick formula again, so you don't need to use a ton. I used probably a quarter size amount, maybe not even a quarter size amount, and scrunched that in from my roots up. And y'all already know, once I have my styling products in, I always go in with my Ultimate T-shirt towel by Hair Repair. This towel is completely friction free. It's 100% cotton fabric. It is going to absorb water and excess product without causing any damage or frizz to the hair. It's going to leave your hair feeling shiny and just, it's gonna look amazing. I cannot do my hair without this towel. It's the only towel I've used for 4 years, and now I have a 10% off discount code for y'all. You can use my discount code GLAMBELLE10. I will leave it in the description box, and you can get 10% off of your own hair repair towel. This is also the towel that I plop my hair with, as you can see. I plopped for about 30 minutes while I did my makeup, and my hair was about 25% dry, I'd say, before going in to diffuse. I have an entire video on how I diffuse my curly hair that I will leave in the description box, and I'll also put it in a card here in the video. But I basically just go through, hold each section for about 3 to 5 seconds, and I take my time. Patience is key when you're diffusing. If you move it around too quickly, you will cause frizz. So I'll leave that video so that you can check out exactly my entire process for diffusing. And the last but certainly not least product that I use from the Innersense line is their Harmonic Healing Oil. This oil is used to increase moisture in the hair. It has a rich blend of healing oils and flower essences. It's got certified organic safflower in it. It's got evening primrose oils. It just has a rich blend of vitamins, minerals, proteins to help soothe the scalp and the skin. I took this product and I emulsified it in my hands and then scrunched it into my hair. This helps to break any gel cast that was left from the styling product and makes your hair super soft. It also adds lots of shine, as you can see. And I like to fluff my hair, go in and fluff at my roots with some sort of oil so that it helps to prevent frizz. The greatest thing about this particular product is that you can use it on your skin, and it's got a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, so it's great for deep tissue massage. So, you know, I might have to give this to my husband and tell him to hook a sister up, but it also works amazing for the hair, as you can see. And this basically was my final results from all of those products. I have to say, I love the results. I got tons and tons of shine out of this, and overall I'm just super pleased with the entire Innersense line. And not only are the products amazing, but I have to say that the communication that I've had with the creators behind this line has been phenomenal. They have taken their time to go in depth about the products so that I knew exactly how to use them, and they've just been so amazing. So highly recommend. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. This was my final results. I am super impressed. My hair feels really great. I feel like I got great definition. It gave me really great shine. I do feel like I've got a little bit of frizz, but it might be because I think I might have used a little bit too much of the cream product. But of course, anytime you get new products, you kind of have to play around with them a little bit to figure out the perfect cocktail. I'm definitely going to be using these products, playing around with it, seeing exactly what works the best, but I am really thrilled with my results. My hair feels great. It doesn't feel hard and crunchy. I would definitely recommend this line to anyone who is looking for Curly Girl Method approved products or Curly Girl friendly products. They are safe and clean for curly hair, and that makes me one happy girl. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.